Hey y'all, come fishing with us. You guys see our handy dandy tackle thing? Gotta have your pads in your little tackle box, because you never know.
Yep.
He's got his brim buster.
This ain't a brim.
Okay, I lied. He's got his cane pole. He said he's not scared of the spiders, y'all, but I am. And he just peaced out and left me.
Hey, I'm getting a bite.
You are?
Yep. Stump knocker.
Yum! Now hold him up for me. Hello, little guy.
Sitting on the creek bank like my grandmother used to do. Yep. Sitting on the creek bank. I can fish across the creek with this brim buster.
You're getting a bite. Yes. Show us how you take the hook out. Wiggle it out. Bye, Fishy.
This ain't really biting very fast. You gotta really pay attention because they do bite. They really catch them.
And that's why I quit fishing, because I kept getting bites and I wasn't paying attention.
Old grandmother got a bunch of poles out in the water. Yeah. Catch a fish on 2 different poles now. Gotta pay attention. Oh man, I missed him.
Missed
What
him.
happens when you got 2 poles in the water?
And I was videoing too.
I missed him. They went down there and told their brothers not to bite because I've caught 3 of their brothers, and so they've been telling them. Don't bite.
Well, we want their daddy or their mommy. We want the big ones. Okay, y'all. When you just be yapping and your man ain't paying no kind of attention to you because he's looking out the window at deer tracks. Babe. I just made a whole video about how you don't pay attention to me.
Well, it's deer tracks down there. A bunch of them.
Baby,
What?
you need a whooping.
It's deer tracks down there. I want to make sure we know where some deer is at for hunting season.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at deer tracks.
Well, that's all we have for today. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor content. Thanks for watching. Bye.